The curve with the equation y equals 3 times 2 raised to 2x meets the curve with the equation y equals 6 to the 3 minus x at the point Q. Show that the x-coordinate of Q is 3 plus 2 log base 2 of 3 over 3 plus log base 2 of 3. So let's set these two equal to each other. And in order to solve for x, we want to take the log of both sides. And actually we're going to take the log base 2 here because the base here is 2, so it just makes the math easier. And so we have log base 2, and then we're going to use a product rule which says that whenever you multiply the inside, you're going to split it up by adding the logs. So it's log base 2 of 3 plus log base 2 of 2 to the 2x equals log base 2 of 6 raised to 3 minus x. And now we're just going to factor out the exponent, so that comes in front. So it's 2x times log base 2 of 2 is equal to 3 minus x times log base 2 of 6. And so we can distribute the 3 and the negative x. And then log base 2 of 2 is just 1, so I'm not even going to bother writing that. So we have 3 times log base 2 of 6 minus x times log base 2 of 6. We'll bring the x's on one side, so it's be 2x plus x log base 2 of 6 equals 3 log base 2 of 6, and then we'll subtract the log base 2 of 3. And so I can factor out the x. That's 2 plus log base 2 of 6. And then this one I'm just going to rewrite it as log base 2 of 6 cubed minus log base 2 of 3. Note that both logs have the same base, so I could just divide 6 cubed with 3. So that's 216 divided by 3, so that's 108. No, that's 72 actually. And so we'll divide both sides by 2 plus log base 2 of 6. And now we can split this up further. So let's think about what factors of 72 is a power of 2. So we know obviously 2 cubed works. That's 8. So let's split this up as 2 cubed times 9. And then in the denominator, I'm going to break up log base 2 of 6 as log base 2 of 2 times 3. So I'm going to use the same property where I'm going to split this up into 2 separate logs, and we're separated based off addition. And then log base 2 of 2 cubed, that's going to be 3. And then log base 2 of 9 is the same thing as log base 2 of 3 squared. Log base 2 of 2 is 1. And then we have log base 2 of 3. So then log base 2 of 3 squared is just 3 log base 2 of 3. And that's going to be over 3 plus log base 2 of 3. And so this is the x-coordinate.